As anticipation builds for the DJI Air 4, drone enthusiasts and photographers alike are eagerly awaiting its release. With various leaks and rumours circulating, there's a lot of excitement about what this new drone might bring to the table. Whether you're a casual hobbyist or an aspiring aerial photographer, the Air 4 could potentially introduce features that set new benchmarks in the consumer drone market. DJI's product release strategy is well thought out, and the Air series exemplifies this. Unlike the professional-grade Mavic series, which has a longer update cycle, the Air series is refreshed more frequently, keeping it aligned with the latest tech advancements. This strategy ensures that DJI meets the evolving needs of hobbyists and semi-professional users, offering them cutting-edge technology at a more accessible price point. Let's dive into what's likely in store for the DJI Air 4. Rumours suggest that this model will feature several significant upgrades over its predecessor, the Air 3. While some earlier leaks showing a 3-camera setup similar to the Mavic 3 Pro have been dismissed as fake, credible sources still hint at a substantial camera system enhancement. We could see improvements in resolution, low-light performance, and new shooting modes tailored for both photography and videography. Flight time is a critical aspect for drone users, and the DJI Air 4 is rumoured to push the boundaries further. There are whispers of a battery life surpassing the Air 3's already impressive 34 minutes. Such an upgrade would not only extend your flight sessions, but also alleviate the stress of battery management during intense shoots. One of the most exciting rumours is the potential upgrade to a 1-inch sensor for the camera. This enhancement would significantly boost image quality, offering crisper and more detailed visuals. The larger sensor would be particularly beneficial for shooting in low-light conditions and improving the overall dynamic range. For serious aerial photographers and videographers, the inclusion of a mechanical shutter could be a game-changer. This feature would drastically reduce rolling shutter distortion, a common issue when capturing fast-moving objects or shooting while the drone is in motion. Additionally, a variable aperture might be on the horizon, providing greater flexibility in various lighting conditions. This would allow users to achieve optimal exposure without relying heavily on ND filters. DJI is known for prioritizing safety and ease of use, and the Air 4 is expected to continue this trend. Rumours suggest an improved 360-degree obstacle avoidance system, offering safer flights with enhanced obstacle detection and avoidance. This upgrade would give pilots the confidence to fly in more challenging environments. A recent tweet from Igor Bogdanov, showcasing 4 drone batteries, hints at the Air 4's improved power capabilities. This suggests not only longer flight times, but also faster charging and more efficient power management, ensuring more time in the air and less time waiting. So, when can we expect the DJI Air 4? Leaks point to a potential launch in the summer of 2024. This timing appears strategic, as it would allow DJI to release the Air 4 ahead of the Mavic 4, catering to different market segments without overlap. As for pricing, the DJI Air 4 is expected to be competitively priced, likely in line with the current Air 3. This approach would keep the Air 4 accessible to a wide range of consumers while delivering advanced features that are typically reserved for higher-end models. The DJI Air 4 is shaping up to be a significant player in the consumer drone market, poised to set new standards in aerial technology. This upcoming model is expected to bring a host of impressive upgrades, particularly in camera capabilities, allowing users to capture even more stunning high-resolution images and videos. Additionally, improvements in flight time will enable longer sessions in the sky, ensuring that you can explore vast landscapes or film extended sequences without interruption. Enhanced safety features are also anticipated, providing greater peace of mind for both novice and experienced pilots. Whether you're a professional videographer capturing breathtaking landscapes, an adventure enthusiast documenting dynamic action sequences, or simply someone who enjoys the exhilaration of flying, the DJI Air 4 could prove to be the ideal companion for all your aerial endeavours. This drone is not just a tool, it's a gateway to new perspectives, offering endless possibilities for creativity and exploration from the skies. So that's all about the upcoming DJI Air 4. Do let us know what you think about this. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.